Hey everybody.
Hi everybody.
Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day from me to you. Mothers of all kinds.
Of all kinds, or mothers everywhere.
Yes. So, I don't know if you guys watched in a previous video of an unboxing I was doing. I just said, put in a comment, where should Mr. Bod buy my Mother's Day present? I was just joking because I really didn't need anything for Mother's Day. But actually, he had already bought something for me. So now I'm going to show you what
I'm
it
a
is.
sneak.
He is a sneak. You know what I told the kids I wanted for Mother's Day? I told my kids the only thing that I wanted was for them to tell me that they love me before I tell them first. Think they could do it?
Oh yeah.
I'm pretty quick though. I say it usually right when I wake up. So
They might not be able to beat you, but
oh, my middle child probably will. He's really quick. He's on it. All right.
are you gonna look at the yarn that I got you, or are you just
Yes.
are you gonna blab all day?
I'm a blabber. Everybody knows it.
I'm just kidding.
Yickety yak, yickety yak.
I'm just teasing.
Crystal Bagoday. It said yickety yak.
Yickety yak. Don't talk back.
Yeah, you better not. Okay, Mr. Bod purchased from Webs. Webs. Now I really like Webs. I have many unboxings on Webs. If you guys
Thank
want
God you really like webs. I knew you liked webs. So.
I noticed in the last video I was reading comments and everybody was saying they were laughing because I was swinging this around because I talk with my hands a lot.
Yeah.
I don't know if you guys know that.
With weapons in her hands.
And with weapons, Mr. Bod. Eric took it out of my hands.
I'm about to take it again. You get a little close.
Okay, Webs. So
Chop it open. Chop it open.
this actually came a couple days ago, but I thought I'd wait to open it. I'm pretty excited.
You want me to open it?
Yeah, I don't want to cut myself.
Or me?
Or you, which is highly possible.
Innocent bystander. Me. Haha.
Mr. Bod.
I went all out.
Look at that. I got some Noro.
You don't like Noro, do you?
I like Noro. I'm trying to collect it. I'm gonna make sure my address isn't showing, although. Okay. Wow, Mr. Bod. What is this stuff? Okay. I love Noro. Mr. Bod. This is that. I can't pronounce it.
Coreoptora?
Coreoptora. I do have this, but not this color. This color is gorgeous. It's black, reds, oranges. Beautiful wool yarn. I bet it's got silk.
You have this, but not the color?
I don't have this color, no. Oh, it says it's a lightweight 3 roving style, but there you go. That's what that is. It's beautiful. Thank you.
It's about a 4.
Oh, look, it's got green in it too. My favorite color of green. That olive, avocado looking green. Very pretty. So I got 3 of those Noros.
Did I only get 3 of them?
Yeah, that's so much.
But that's enough, isn't it?
Oh, I'm certain. How much yardage is in them?
It was actually
Oh, it's all wool, it looks like.
270 meters.
Okay, so about 300 yards. Yeah, that is plenty. Or each, so yeah. Yes. Oh, didn't mean to show you that. Okay, so.
What was it, you totes?
I don't know. Anyways, that's plenty for me to make something. Thank you. What's this? Ooh, feel that.
It's like peppermint.
Feel that.
I
Universal.
feel it. I knew it was going to be soft.
He knew.
Cotton Supreme.
Getting kind of cocky
Knit,
there.
relax, smile, repeat.
Universal Yarn Cotton Supreme DK Sea Spray. Wow, that's pretty.
It's nice. Really soft.
Remember, these all came from Webs. That is nice and soft. What kind of cotton is it? 100% cotton. I wonder if it's a Pima. Made in Turkey. 230 yards, a lightweight 3. Produced exclusively for Universal Yarns with the finest fibers. It is nice. This one's just called red. I like it. The washed look of it. That's beautiful. And it's soft. That's some soft now. That's really soft cotton yarn. Nice. Nice soft cotton. Are you coming, Eric? He left me by myself. Anyways, I got 4 of those. So that's plenty. Alright, he's back. Alright.
I'm back.
What's this stuff? Rae Seasons.
It's machine washable, so you don't have to just
washable
hand
wool.
wash and lay flat.
Well,
Isn't that what it usually says?
I do that anyways. Well, that's what Nora always says. But
That's because it's $40 a ball.
no, they're not all that much.
This wasn't that much, I don't think, if I remember right.
But yeah, some are even more than that.
So you like it?
I do like it.
It's a chain spun one, isn't it?
It's chain spun. That's gorgeous colors.
I know
too.
how much you love chain spun, and
Well,
you love roving.
I do. Chain spun's my second next to roving. So it is a 219 yards of an acrylic polyamide blend. Medium weight number. Oh, it's a bulky. I'm sorry. That's pretty. Bulky. Bulky 5. Chain spun.
Bulky Bartaka
I
moose.
like the colors of it. Look at it. So you got how many of those? 1, 2,
I got 6 of them.
3, 4. Wow, Mr. Bode.
Did you call me Mr. Bode?
Mr. Bod.
Wow, Mr. Bode.
Wow, Erica. What's this? Ultra Pima. How do you know I liked Pima Cotton?
Well, because we were filming that Pima Cotton that one day.
What one day? All days? Lots
All
of
days.
days? That's nice. Okay, this is Cascades Ultra Pima, 100% Pima Cotton.
Very soft.
200 meters or 220 yards. Made in Peru. Machine washable. That's nice. Look at the... It's unusual for a Pima to have a sheen on it, but that one does have a bit of one. I like
the shine, huh?
I like the red. 220 yards, you got me 5 of the red. That red is gorgeous, and I know just what I'm going to make with that red.
What are you gonna make?
I'm not telling.
Is it for me?
No.
Is it ruby slippers?
Ruby red slippers. Yes. Oh, you got me more of it?
Yes.
Pink
Well, I know
for Evelyn.
that was for Evelyn, but
You got me pink so I can make something for
I
Evelyn.
knew that Evelyn would like that.
So this is the Ultra Pima also in the pink. That's so pretty.
I got 5 of those too.
Evelyn will love that. Wow. More pink?
So far, so good, right?
What's this stuff?
This is just like
Oh, Juniper Moon, the Cumulus. I've been wanting to try this.
it's the Mako Cotton, Israeli Mako Cotton,
Yes.
and a touch of nylon for strength.
Mako Cotton's a nice cotton. It's a nice soft cotton. It's got like a microfiber feel to it.
Super soft.
It is really
Super
soft.
soft.
It's different than Pima. A different kind of soft. Pima's soft in a different way, as Mako is more of a fluffy soft, I
Yeah,
guess.
Pima's kind of a squishy soft.
Lion Brand makes a nice Mako Cotton, but this one I believe is a little bit
Boom, better.
nicer.
Hey, I was gonna get it
That's
from Lion Brand.
nice. You were?
It was a hard choice, really.
Oh, between Webs and Lion Brand?
Yeah.
You know, if you would have went to Lion Brand, you wouldn't have been able to get anything that I don't already have.
I know. That's one of the reasons why I picked it.
Webs would have been a better choice. So this is 94% Mako Cotton, is 6% nylon. It's classified as medium weight number 4, 251 yards. Hand wash, lay flat. Of course. The color is called Brandy Wine. That's so pretty. I like Mako Cotton. I do. It's beautiful. It's got a chain. This one has a chain spun construction, as does Lion Brand's. That's nice. That's so pretty. I've been wanting to try this for a while.
Really?
Yeah, I have, but I could never pull the trigger on it because I know it wasn't that cheap to buy. So
So we won't talk about that.
super. Yeah, we don't do that during gift openings. That's nice. It's so soft. It's soft. I mean, Pima's super soft, but Mako's soft too, just in a different way. I can't really explain it. Both are pretty. Got me 3 of those. Thank you, babe.
You're welcome.
What's this stuff? Cascade Yarn, Cherub, Aaron Prince. That's pretty.
I like the colors.
I've never heard of that before. Medium weight number 4, 55 nylon, 45 acrylic. Machine wash, tumble dry, shock, shock, shock. Made in India. That's pretty. It's soft too.
Oh yeah.
I like that. Cherub Aaron Prince. So Aaron's a 4-weight. Did I say that? Yeah, I already said that. It's a nice 4-weight.
Yeah.
Got me 2 of those.
2.
Pretty, pretty. Thank you. What is that? Oh, I love brown. Mr. Bud, how'd you know the brown that I like the brown?
I don't know how I knew that. You've never said it before.
Wow.
I know that.
This is Elena Grosso. What is that say?
Comatolo.
Gamatolo?
Felice. Felice.
Wow, look, that is cool.
I just know it's brown.
I've never seen it before. It's 70% cotton and 30% viscose.
It's chain spun too, isn't it?
Let me look here. It's 435 meters, so about 480 yards, somewhere around there. That's a nice amount of yardage. Looks like it's about a lightweight 3. I don't see it anywhere on the thing. Made in Italy. So yeah, it is a chain spun. That is pretty. It's got sparkle, like a sparkly stuff running through it. Ooh, that's super beautiful. And so my colors. I don't know how you knew.
I'm good.
Wow, that's nice. I'm gonna make I think a lightweight cow would be pretty out of that, or a scarf. I don't know. Save it for a rainy day.
You'll make something nice, I'm sure.
Universal Yarn Color Burst. I have seen this before, but I have not had any of it.
It looks not so soft. Oh, not too bad.
It's wool. I got wool in it, I think. 65% superwash merino and 35% acrylic. Yes, it's very pretty. Machine wash, tumble dry. Universal, made in Turkey. 660 yards in that bad boy.
Lots.
How'd you know I like that rainbow one?
I don't know how I knew you liked rainbows, but
that's about a DK, so that's like a 3-way. That's gorgeous rainbow color. Look at that. But he got me 3s. Well, he got me a rainbow one. Ooh, look at this one. This one's called Earth and Sky. That is pretty. I love brown and blue together.
I like that one the best.
Gorgeous, Mr. Bud. Ooh, that one's pretty too. This one's called, I don't know.
Was it something oceany? I
Oh,
can't remember.
Aurora Borealis.
Oh, the Northern Lights.
Very pretty. That's probably an appropriate name from the pictures I've seen on the internet of the
Aurora.
The Northern Lights. Never really seen them in person, but that is pretty.
I saw them one time.
Beautiful. Look like that?
Kinda.
All right, there's one more in here. What's this though? This is a
big old market bag.
wool is cool. Elena Grosso. That probably came free. Wool is cool.
Let's see.
I like that bag.
How come it doesn't rhyme?
What?
How come wool and cool don't rhyme, babe?
It does.
It does?
Wool, cool.
Is it just not a perfect nominative?
That is wool, cool.
Wool rhymes with coal.
Wool, cool. Depends on how you say it.
Wool, cool.
What is this?
Wool, coal.
All I know is you're not being very cool
I'm
right now.
just joking.
I am too. I'm just kidding. Okay. Elena Grosso again.
Gimitolo finito.
Gimitolo finito.
I'm gonna see what that means.
Something finished.
Yeah.
Beautiful, beautiful. Look at that red cake.
Finished ball.
Oh, finished ball. That's neat.
Gomitolo. Right?
Yeah.
Yep. Gomitolo
Let's read about this.
finito.
Made in Italy. Huh. Is that it? That's all it's going to tell me? Oh. 520 meters, so a little over, no. About 600, or 570 yards, 75 yards, something like that. And this, that is so pretty. It's like roving stuff. You know what this reminds me of?
What?
Who do I like so much? That this would remind
Freddie
me.
Mercury?
No, I love Freddie Mercury, but that this would remind me of.
Who do you like?
Who's
so
my
much?
favorite blood spatter analyst?
Oh, Dexter.
Dexter! I love Michael C. Hall. This would look like color. If you guys ever watched Dexter, if you haven't, you should watch it. He's a blood splatter. He always goes, I'm just the blood guy. Anyways, this reminds me of him because...
You realize he's only good because he's the guy who committed the murder in the first place.
What?
So he's only analyzing his own blood spatters. He's like, oh, the guy stood here and he stabbed him over here and then pushed him over there.
He doesn't do
it was
his own.
him.
He doesn't
That's
do
how he
his
knows.
own. No. You guys don't know what we're talking about. He's a serial killer in it that kills killers, but it's a great flick and you guys should watch it. Well, series,
yeah.
coming out with a new one, but that is so pretty. I love it. Roving style, a lot of yardage. That makes something beautiful and drapey too. Did I even say what it was made of? Probably not.
I don't know.
100% immersion wool. It's nice though, nice and soft. What's this one mean? Thank you, Mr. Bod.
You're welcome.
I love you.
Love you too.
What's this one mean?
I don't know what the Felice.
Gimato.
Comatolo.
Some people already know what it means already. I know.
Yeah. They're not any great matches, so I'm not sure.
Oh, well, if anybody knows, you can let me know in the comments. So that is what my husband got me for Mother's Day. Thank you very much. I don't think that I could have picked a better lot of yarn. It's all very, very pretty. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
And you guys,
You definitely deserve it.
well, I don't know about that, but that's very sweet of you to say that. Thank
She
you.
does.
Thank you very much. That's very nice. Okay, so that's it. I'm gonna go now. Thank you guys for watching.
I'm so happy that you
Mr. Buzz making
strung me along this whole time. I always knew that she was stringing me along.
Shut up with the
Ever
dad
since I
jokes.
first met her, she was stringing me along, and I know what it led up to. Actual string.
Got in it in a dad joke, huh?
I guess so.
Okay.
I tried.
Hey, happy Mother's Day, everybody. Okay. Bye, guys.
Have a
We
great
love
day.
you. I'll see you on my next video. Him, I don't know if he'll be in it or not. We'll see. Maybe I might let him.
You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to paint the front of my body, all my clothing and everything, to look just like the background. And then I'm going to stand there like this. And she's not going to know I'm there. And when she's recording, I'm going to come out and scare her.
I think I'll know you're there.
You think so?
Yeah, are you going to use
I don't know.
Evelyn's paint?
I was going to say I'm going to have Evelyn paint me up.
Watercolors?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It'll match perfectly.
It might.
You know, if you would have just left the yarn there, all she'd have to do is just splatter me.
Whatever.
And I could just stand there.
Now you're insulting me. Bye. Bye, guys.
everybody.